Hi, I wanted to review with you about how to turn things in on Seesaw. You've been doing a great job, and I see what you send into your teachers, and your teachers have exciting lesson plans for you. Just wonderful. So, I just wanted to tell you that right here, you can add a response, and you can take a photo like that. You can turn the camera around, of course, and take photos of your surroundings. You can do a drawing. You can take a video, and again, you can take a video of yourself, or you can take a video, turn it around, and show things in front of you. Probably don't want to upload something unless you've done a video somewhere else, and then you can upload it. And then notes are good to just type on there and answer things. So then you also have a link that you can add. You can put a video inside of a note. So there's all kinds of options that you can do, and these are all ways that you can reply and respond to your teachers. Again, you've been doing a great job. I'm very proud of you, and there's some exciting lessons coming your way. So have a great fall break.